Hello, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Daily watch Chandana program. It will help you to link between present class mathematics and last year mathematics, so that you can recall and link it to present maths class. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy food, drink lukewarm water, slightly warm water. Eat healthy food, that too citrus fruits you have to take more. Citrus fruit contains vitamin C. Vitamin C helps you to build immunity in your body so that you can fight against COVID. Take healthy food prepared at home. If possible, take little kashaya also. It will help to boost your immunity. Now let us come to our topic. Yesterday we started our lesson arithmetic progression. We saw 4 sets of numbers. There exists a definite relation between these numbers. Such orderly arrangement of numbers is called a sequence. Then when a sequence is given, its next 4 terms could be easily written. We solved 4 such sums. 6, 9, 12, 15. Next term is 18, 21, 24, 27. Likewise, we solved other sums also. Then we came to know about definition of arithmetic progression. From sequence, we came to AP. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except for the first term. First term do not have any previous term. Therefore, exception for the first term, we will get it by adding a fixed number. That fixed number is called as common difference. Then numbers written in the sequence are called as terms. First term is denoted as A1, second term as A2, third term A3, nth term is denoted by AN. Then we solved sums to find first term and common difference. Again, same example. 6, 9, 12, 15. Here first term is 6. Common difference, how to find? Second term minus first term, that is 3. Third term minus second term is also 3. Fourth term minus third term is also 3. Likewise, we solved 2 sums and I gave 2 sums homework. Or we did it in the class. We did it in the class itself, isn't it? We completed those. Next we come to nth term of an AP. A, common difference is denoted by D. So A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Nth term is AN. Its previous term is AN minus 1. If at all you have to write the next term AN plus 1. Common difference is denoted by D. Then we wrote a formula for nth term. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Then we solve one sum. finding A and D in a given sequence, in a given AP. 4, 10, 16, 22. 10 minus 4 is 6. 16 minus 10 is 6. 22 minus 16 is 6. Therefore, D is equal to 6, A is equal to 4. Then I gave 2 homework for you. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and so on. Open your notes and check, have you completed those two sums? Okay. D. How to find D? A2 minus A1. Minus 2 minus of minus 2. Use bracket there. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Every time same answer you will get. Minus 2 minus of minus 2 is 0. Therefore, D is equal to 0. Is it not the same answer? Yes. Therefore, it forms an AP. Then what is the first term? Minus 2. What is the difference? 0. I hope all of you have completed, isn't it? Very good. Next, minus 5, minus 1, minus 3, 7. How to find D? Minus 1 minus of minus 5. That is minus 1 plus 5, 4. Minus 3 minus of minus 1. That will give you minus 2. 7 minus of minus 3. That will give you 10. All the three answers are different. Therefore, D is not same. It is not an AP. Now, today's lesson we will start. Write first question. Write the first 4 terms of following APs. Write first 4 terms of following APs. First question. A is equal to 10, D is equal to 5. A is equal to 10, D is equal to 5. Shall we write AP? First term, how much? 10. Then how much should be added? 5. Therefore, 10 plus 5. Next, 2 times 5 should be added. 10 plus, write it inside the bracket. 5 plus 5. Next, 10 plus how many times 5? 3 times and so on. Now write the answer. 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Completed? Now second question. A is equal to plus 2, D is equal to minus 2. Will you write? I hope all of you completed. 2, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 and so on. What is the answer? 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4 and so on. Got it correct? Next sum. A is equal to minus 4, D is equal to minus 3. Both are negative. Will you write? Okay. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 3, minus 4, minus 3, minus 3, minus 4, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. 3 times and so on. What is the answer? Minus 4, minus 7, minus 10, minus 13 and so on. Everyone completed? Next, first term is minus, D is 10. A is equal to minus 5, D is equal to 10. Will you write? Let us see. Minus 5. Minus 5 plus 10. Minus 5 plus 10 plus 10. Minus 5 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. What is the answer? Minus 5 plus 5 plus 15 plus 25 and so on. I hope you all completed it. Very good. Now let us solve the next sum. Find AN in following APs. Find AN in the following APs. First question. Find A10. Find A10 in 2, 7, 12 and so on. Find A10 in 2, 7, 12 and so on. What is the first term? 2. What is the common difference? 7 minus 2, 5. How many terms? N is equal to 10. A10 is equal to how much? What is given and what is required? You have to write it in the first step. Then let us write the formula. Only one formula known to us. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Completed. Next, in place of AN, A10 is equal to, in place of A how much we have to write? 2. In place of N, 10. In place of D, 5. Use bracket. Completed. A10 is equal to 2 plus 9 into 5. A is equal to 2 plus 45 is equal to 47. I hope all of you completed that sum. Let us work out the next sum. Find eighth term. Eighth term is denoted as A8. Small letter A, suffix 8. In 7, 13, 19 and so on. Eighth term in 7, 13, 19, so on. Immediately you have to write A is equal to how much? 7. D is equal to how much? 6. N is equal to 8. A8 is equal to how much? Next write formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Next A8 is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 into 6. 7 plus 7 into 6. 7 plus 42 is equal to 49. Completed now? Shall we copy the next question? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Divisible by 3 means table of 3. Let us recall table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. 2-digit number starts from 12. Therefore, first number is 12. Then increase by 3. 12, 15, 18. Then we have to find the last number now. 3 30s are 90. 31s are 93. 96. 99. 3 how much are 99? 3 33s are 99. Next comes 102. 102 is not a 2-digit number. It is a 3-digit number. Therefore, our last term is how much? 99. Therefore, AP, write 12, 15, 18, so on up to 99. Now write A, D, A, N and N. A is equal to how much? 12. D is equal to how much? 3. This 99 is not N. It is AN. Term of a sequence. AN is 99. What we have to find? How many? Means N is equal to how much? How many terms means N is equal to how much? Now write formula. Substitute. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. In place of AN, how much we have to write? 99. 12 plus N we don't know, therefore leave it as it is. In place of D, how much? 3. Shift 12 to left hand side, it will get a negative sign. 99 minus 12 is equal to N minus 1 into 3. When you subtracted, how much you will get? 87. 3 when it comes to other side, it is divisible. Divided by 3. Here remaining is only N minus 1. How many times? 29 times. N is equal to, shift 1 to the right hand side, it will become plus 1, 30. So how many terms are there? 30 terms are there. Shall we copy the next sum? In an AP, third term, you can write A3 also in short. Third term is 5. Seventh term is 9. How do you write seventh term? A7. A3 is 5, A7 is 9. Write AP. Write AP. Now what are given? We have to write. A3 is 5. A7 is 9. AP how much? Only one formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A3 is equal to A plus, in place of N you have to write 3 minus 1 into D. A3 value is 5. 5 is equal to A plus 2D. Let it be equation 1. Same, get equation for A7. A7 is equal to A plus 7 minus 1 into D. 9 is equal to A plus 6D. Now look at 6D and 2D. Which one is bigger? 6D is bigger. So from 1 and 2, write the bigger terms in the topper line, smaller terms in the next line. 9 is equal to A plus 6D. 5 is equal to A plus 2D. A value is same for both the equations. D value is same for both the equations. Therefore, These two are simultaneous linear equations in two variables. Simultaneous linear equations in two variables. We have to eliminate either A or D. Eliminating A is easy. If you subtract, it gets cancelled. So we will subtract. Put one minus sign here and change the sign of all the terms of the second equation. Change the sign of all the terms of the second equation. Changed sign should be shown in bracket below. See, I have written minus here, minus here, minus here. There is nothing written means it is plus 5, which changed it into minus, plus A, which changed it into minus, plus 2D, which changed it into minus 2D. A gets cancels. 9 minus 5 is 4. 6D minus 2D is 4D. Then what is the value of D? D is equal to 1. Then among these two, in any one equation you have to substitute D is equal to 1. This only has smaller values now, so easy to substitute. We will take this equation. A plus 2D is equal to 5. 5 is equal to, A don't know, let us write it as A only. 2 into, in place of D, 1. 5 is equal to A plus 2. A is equal to 5 minus 2, that's value is 3. We got D value, we got A value. Now we can write AP. A plus D, A plus 2D. In place of A, 3. Going on adding 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6, and so on. Have you understood? Forming two simultaneous linear equations and solving the value for A and D, then writing it as AP. Now let us work out next sum. Which term of 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Which term of 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78? Now let us write AP. 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. Now what are given, let us write. A value how much? 3. D value 8 minus 3, 5. 78 is a term, not n. Therefore AN is 78. What we have to find? Which term, how many terms are same meaning? N is equal to how much? N is equal to how much? A is equal to 3, D is equal to 5, AN is equal to 78, N is equal to how much? Write formula. Only one formula known. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute the values. In place of AN 78, in place of A 3, N we don't know, write it as N minus 1, D value 5. Shift 3 to the other side, it will become minus 78 minus 3 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. 75 divided by 5 is equal to N minus 1. N minus 1 is equal to 15, N is equal to 16. Therefore which term? 16th term is 78. 16th term is 78. Next question. In an AP, 11th term is 38, 11th term is 38, 16th term is 73, 16th term is 73. Find 31st term. Find 31st term. Shall we write what are given? A11 is equal to 38. A16 is equal to 73. Which term we have to find out? A31. To find A31, we should know A and D value. Therefore, they have to be found out. Same as earlier sum. AN is equal to 38. Therefore, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D formula we will use. Apply N is equal to 1, 11. A11 is equal to 11 minus 1 is how much? 10. I skipped one step. A plus 10D. Understood now how you got? 38 is equal to A plus 10D. Same way for 16. 16 minus 1 is how much? 15. A16 is equal to A plus 15D. 73 is equal to A plus 15D. Two equations we will get. 38 is equal to A plus 10D. 73 is equal to A plus 15D. Here bigger values are 73 and 15. Smaller values are 38 and 10. Therefore, first we will write this equation. Then we will write this equation. Write one below the other. 73 is equal to A plus 15D. 38 is equal to A plus 10D. Subtract, change the sign. A cancels. 35 is equal to 5D. D is equal to 7. Then substituting D is equal to 7 in A plus 10D is equal to 38. Second equation has smaller values. We will take that one. A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70. Not 70 minus 38. 38 minus 70. Answer is how much? Minus 32. Now what is the question? Find A31. In the same A plus N minus 1 into D, we will write A31 is equal to 31 minus 1 is how much? 30. Therefore, 30D. A plus 30D. Completed? Next. A31 is equal to, in place of A minus 32, in place of D, 30 into D, 30 into 7. Minus 32 plus 210, it is 178. This much is sufficient for today. Now let us recall what we have studied today. We found the nth term of the APs, 2, 7, 12, A 10th term. In AN formula A10, 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5, 2 plus 9 into 5, 45, 47. Same way we found out 8th term. Next we did how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3. Two digit number starts from 12, 15, 18. Last number is 99. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 99 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 3. If you simplify, we will get 30 terms. Go to the remaining sums. Revise regularly. Practice daily. We will meet you tomorrow. All the best. Bye.